Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by removing everything from the dash and working in sections so you don't miss spots. Once done, vacuum loose debris and brush vents to free trapped dust. This prevents smearing later. Next, mix a gentle cleaner. Mild soap and water or a 1:10 vinegar solution works for most plastics and vinyl, and pour into a spray bottle so you control application. Make sure to use soft microfiber to avoid scratches and to keep excess moisture away from electronics. You now tackle the detailed cleaning. Spray the microfiber, not the dash, then wipe in even strokes to lift grime without saturating seams. Once a panel is clean, use a soft brush and cotton swabs to get into vents, seams, and around buttons where dirt accumulates. For sticky residues or darker stains, apply a small amount of 70% isopropyl on a swab and test in an inconspicuous spot before using broadly. Make sure to dry each area thoroughly to prevent streaks and sensors issues. You finish by applying a thin layer of matte UV protectant or vinyl conditioner to lock out sun damage and keep the surface from drying and cracking. Apply sparingly to avoid slippery residue. Once applied, buff with a dry microfiber for a uniform, non-greasy finish, and inspect screens, vents, and buttons to ensure nothing was missed. If you see streaks or leftover residue, re-clean that spot with diluted cleaner and a gentle buff. If electronics act up, unplug power and dry before testing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.